Hi everyone, welcome back here. Let me share with you how to make 5 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap. Please watch to the end so that you can get enough information. So this is our thickener. We need it for making liquid soap. This is my glycerin or glycerin, and this is my perfume. So I have a foam booster here, and I also have my salt. And this is the base, the most important ingredient. It is also known as texapon. And this is the spoon that I'll be using for my measurement. And I have my preservative and my color here. And this is my water. Remember, I'll be making 5 liters of liquid soap. So I'm using my spoon to measure 3 of it. And this spoon can contain 20 mils of water. So if you get a spoon that can contain 20 mils of water, you can use it. So I'm measuring twice of that spoon, and it should go hand in hand with the texapon. So this is the texapon. So 3 spoonful of salt and also 3 spoonful of texapon. So it has to be equal. Liquid soap has a lot of tricks that I'll be sharing with you in this video. So after adding my base, I'll get my stirrer, something that can help you stir it so that it is well combined. So with just these 2 ingredients, we can even make liquid soap without adding extra things. So within 5 minutes, I'll be able to mix it thoroughly. So always ensure that your salt doesn't have lumps in it. So I'm just starting with the addition of the water. So you're adding it gradually. You can decide to add it 1 liter after 1 liter so that you don't get a very watery liquid soap. But if you are making the liquid soap and it becomes too watery, you can add some salt and it will make it a little bit thicker for you. I also have a video on this channel that you can learn how to produce about 17 liters of liquid soap. You can check that out too. If you are new here, you are most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So you can see that it is becoming thicker. So at this point, I'll add my second cup of water to it. Please, if you have any challenge, you can write it under the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. So have you seen, as I keep on adding the water, it's becoming thicker. So you just have to give it enough time and patience. So this is my 3rd cup. And this cup measures about 1 liter of water. So this is the 3rd one that I just added. So with this liquid soap, you can use it for washing of dishes, mopping of floors, washing of clothes. Usually I don't like using the bar soap to wash my things. I prefer liquid soap. So I used to buy it, and then at my workplace, my unit director organized for a resource person to come and teach us how to make liquid soap. And then I said, from now I'm not going to buy, I'm just going to make it in bulk and I'll store it so that anytime I need liquid soap, I can easily get some in the house. So I'm just adding it. So I'm just going to add it till I get my 5 liters of liquid soap. So you can see the consistency that we are getting as we are adding the water. So it is always advisable not to add the amount of liquid soap, the water that you are going to use at a go. So this is my preservative. It's just about half teaspoon that I'm adding, and it's going to help it to last longer. Like if you want to keep it for a longer period, this one will preserve it without it going bad. So now I'm going to add my color to it. So remember I told you with just the base and the salt you can get your liquid soap. All other ingredients are just to make it have this foaming nature. So some can just use 2 ingredients, the salt and the base, which is also known as the texapon, to make their liquid soap. So depending on the color that you want, I have this color available with me, so that is what I'm using, but later I'll try and get other colors so that I can use them, because I like blue and then pink. So at this point I'm going to add 20 ml of foam booster, that is the liquid foam booster, and I'll add 20 ml of thickener, that is the yellow one, and I'll be adding 10 ml of glycerin so that it will make it smooth. So this is the glycerin, but it is optional to add it. So I just gave exact measurements so that you can also make it. So I had to get a calibrated container so that I'll measure the spoon with some amount of water and then pour it into a calibrated container so that I could get the actual measurement for you all, so that when you are making it in the house you will not suffer to make it. So after adding the thickener and the foam booster, you can see my liquid soap is becoming a little bit thicker. And you can even feel it while stirring it. So at this point I'm just going to leave it and cover it so that the next day I'll work on it. So this is the next day, and I'm just going to open it for you all to see. So now this is how my liquid soap is. Very beautiful. And I have my containers ready. I'm going to add my perfume. You can decide to add it whilst making it, or wait when you are opening it the next day or after like 12 to 24 hours, then you can just add it. It's because of evaporation that some people prefer to add it during the time they want to package it. So this is my transparent liquid soap, 5 liters, and even I think I'll get an addition of 500, so 5.5 liters of liquid soap. So this is the container, and this measures like 5 liters. So I'm just going to fill it up with my liquid soap. So after filling it, I had this 500 ml of liquid soap in my package. So this is how you have to close it tightly so that children don't get access to it, to waste it, or even cause problems for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.